Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to open Terabox link without app. So let's start. First I go to Google on my browser and then let's go to the three dots on the right corner, just click there and then just change here by desktop side, just click there and you will find that we have the desktop view. Okay, so here you have to write Terabox link. Okay, so just click here and you will find the first option that says Terabox downloader. Just click there and you will translate to Terabox files. As you can see, you can download files here. You just put the link here and you can download it. So it's very easy to do it, and as you can see, just you have to change the desktop side and that's it. Well guys, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.